This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to know how to download and install Ngrok. If you do not know what is Ngrok, then I tell you. Ngrok is a multi-platform tunneling, reverse proxy software that establishes secure tunnels from a public endpoint such as internet to a locally running network service, while capturing all traffic for detailed inspection and replay. Now if we do not have a static IP, what should we do? Here comes Ngrok. We use Ngrok to forward ports. It is actually used to expose our local host to the web. Using Ngrok, you do not need to open a port to your LAN. Now let's download and install Ngrok in termux. Open browser. Search this URL. Click here. Now click on Sign Up. Now here you need to sign up. I have already signed up here, so I log in here. Now click on Download for Linux ARM. Now copy this icon. Open File Manager. Now open Download folder. Now here you can see a zip file. Now extract this file. Now here you can see an Ngrok file. Now cut this file and paste in internal storage. Open termux. Now type the following commands. Make sure you have give the storage permission. Now here you can see an Ngrok file. Now here you can see the Ngrok file in home directory. Now paste the icon, which you copied from Ngrok website. Now from this command you can run Ngrok. Enable hotspot. Now here you can see, the Ngrok is started, and it's showing online. To stop Ngrok server, click on Ctrl and C button. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then you can hit the like button and subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Goodbye.